Chole Kulche is one of the best Indian snacks and breakfast options available. This dish, which originated in the Punjab region, is popular throughout the country and is now making its way to the West. Chole Kulche, a delicious combination of all-purpose flour bread tossed in butter and tangy and spicy chole, is a dish that Indians simply cannot get enough of. It's made with white peas and seasoned with simple spices like red chili powder and salt, before being topped with a generous dose of chaat masala. It's even better when topped with a little butter and served with fresh pickled salad. Watch till the end and delight yourself to the delicious preparation of this very famous Indian dish.
डब्बा भी लाके आवाज भी लेके आए आप करेंगे क्या तो पराठे वो जो बना के वो अपना कुलचे बनाना आपको 2 प्लेट। हाँ जी हाँ जी हम तो कुलचे बनाओ। अलग अलग चीज़ें दोनों। हाँ क्या मजा दे देंगे बाद में। हाँ तो बस हाँ थोड़े दिन हो गए। क्या हो गया? बस थोड़े दिन हो गए। कभी खत्म करके Okay,